Welcome to my video channel, and today we've got something really special. As you can see, PM Collections. While we're talking about PM Collections, if you're in Australia on the East Coast, give us a call 0429 667048 if you want a motorbike carried. But we've got something really special to show you today. We'll just move back here and we'll have a look at it, and immediately you can see it's a little moped. It's a moped that is somewhat different. It's an FBM, comes out of Italy. It was one at 3 brought to Australia in 2015 by a collector, 3 different makes. And this one, the FBM, came into my depository during an online auction. As you can see, it's pretty well all complete. It's not in the best of condition, but certainly pretty good. Little 48cc 2-stroke. Have a little look there at the motor, all in there. Tremendous little carby on it, but it's a genuine FBM motor, as you can see there. It's not a proprietary motor that was put in. It's got a bicycle chain on it. It's got pedals, -1. And look at this up here, the gear change. Hold on, we'll go around here so we can see the gear change. Look at that. O for neutral. Then we can move it into first and second. Might need a little bit doing there. Electrical parts are all there. And those wonderful motorcycle handlebars, straight off a push bike. And we'll have to find some new tyres for it. It's got 20-inch rims on it, but that's an FBM 48cc moped. Remember to hit the subscribe button and we'll watch the restoration. Hit the subscribe button now. Thank you.